A senior official with the port of Antwerp-Brouges in Belgium says the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative will help to create a more balanced world.
Infrastructure is a key element in the development of the economy of a country. When you look at initiatives like the corridors and Belt and Road being one of them, you clearly see that those countries where the infrastructure is being built is advancing faster afterwards, because all the other economic activity can rely on a strong infrastructure. So I think we have seen that in different countries where over the last years initiatives have been taken, that they have been able to develop faster in their economy. So absolutely, we should do that. We should continue doing that, and things are happening. Belt and Road Initiative, it brings, of course, the support to develop the infrastructure. That's obvious, that's the whole goal. But along with that, there are other initiatives being taken by Belt and Road over the last years, like the cultural support, education, exchange. So I do think that it's not only about building a road or building a rail connection, but it's also about collaboration between nations, and help them in their development, in their education, in their economic development in general. So I think it not only brings bricks and rails to a country, but that Belt and Road also brings the possibility or the capability to develop the population of that certain region. I hope that the Belt and Road Initiative will help to create a more balanced world.